Hey guys, today I am going to do a new update because I have good news. The good news is the cat. I forgot. Uh. Oh yeah. So the good news is. Uh. Okay, so the good news is that now I can actually speak in the how do you call headphones or mic. And then I'm actually gonna be louder now because that's what I'm scared. No, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, and also I already have the best news ever. The best news ever is actually new. The graphics are actually better now. You wonder how? How did you even do that? Like how? How? The reason why, because I subscribed to wait, just give me a second. Okay? Please give me a second. I'm eating gum right now. My so laggy. What is it called again? OBS. Yeah, I don't even have a mic. I only have headphones. I just you have to. This is the guy how I got it. He's very good.
If you do not want to progress on guitar in the fastest way possible, then I want you to hit the skip button.
Wait.
Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to boot.
Wait, this is not the guy. What the fuck? Where's the guy?
In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your microphone louder in OBS.
You know, whatever. I forgot the name of his channel. But if you want your headphones or mic to be louder, you can just go to these videos and the name's right there. And yeah. Or if you want more graphics, you gotta how to get your graphics. Wait, why did I even? Yeah, you have to watch this one because this one taught me. But no lag actually, no lag. That's just crazy because when I started my channel, I always had lags when I was like recording. But when in 2021, that's how I got so much lag while recording. And then yeah, and thanks for the. That's what I'm gonna say. Ball. Oh, and I forgot to ask you something, guys. So basically, your government quitted the team. Wanna know why? Huh? Wanna know why? Because he was so mad over making a game. Like, can you even believe that? What the fuck? He was just so mad about that, but I didn't even understand what he just said. Then he just blocked me because I didn't even understand him. Like, that's just crazy. Maybe it's just a fake friend because he has been doing this for like 2 times. Now this is his second time. And then now he's never gonna be in our video ever again. That's pretty sad, but I don't care because I am an animal. Plus, DJ, if you hear it, wait, no, I meant, king. If you hear this of your kingdom, say in comments government and shit. Yeah, say that. And you have to say the bad words too. And that's what I'm pretty much gonna say. So wait. Before you go, I want to say that I made a new song. It's called I'll show I'll show it. I just go to my channel. What's taking so long? This is the just wait. Yeah, this is the channel. It's so crazy. Wait. This is the channel.
Let's take it to the body.
Alright, look. This is crazy. My brother did that so he can
Yeah, make sure to subscribe. Oh shit. What the fuck's happening? Fart.
Yeah,
Make sure to subscribe or you're gay.
bell. Hit the
That's
damn
actually
bell.
true. Alright.
Wait a minute. Did I just saw something right here? Look, wait. Bro, I swear I just saw something. Bro, I just saw something. Okay,
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I will come to your house and I will kill you. Like, share, hit the bell.
When you subscribe,
Come on, hit the bell. Hit the bell. You
subscribe,
hit the fucker.
subscribe.
Twist
Hit
the
the
fucker. Fucker. You hit the fucker. You twist.
What the fuck? Bruh. Alright. So, I don't even know what to say, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. By the way, I have been watching this, but please don't judge. And that's probably what I'm gonna do for today. So, bye bye.